Upozorenje, evo zašto ne biste trebali putovati u Hrvatsku ovo ljeto, napisala je na početku videa jedna američka influencerica i zaradila više od 2 milijuna pregleda naših dana. Ali nije se, kao što ste očekivali, žalila ni na cijene ni na gužve, nego je ispričala da ju je netko jednom upozorio da nikako ne smije doći u Hrvatsku jer se neće htjeti prestati vraćati. I to joj se i dogodilo. Madeline Williams ima 35.000 pratitelja kojima je otkrila i neka zanimljiva pravila o životu u Hrvatskoj. Ne smijete reći da je more voda, ako uzmete kavu za van, osuđivat će vas, jer ovdje se kava pije po 2 sata u kafiću. Tijekom sezone izbjegavajte Hvar, Split i Dubrovnik koji izgleda kao Disneyland, a ako vas lokalci upute na Bačvice, to je najružnija plaža u Hrvatskoj, znajte da im niste dragi.
It could not be safer here. Like, this is a country where if you're a woman walking alone at night and you get harassed for some reason, a local's gonna go beat that guy up for you.
If you want a surefire way to piss the Croatian off, it's to call this water. That's just one of the many unspoken rules I learned living here. You don't say Serbian, Croatian, and Bosnian are the same language. Can they understand and speak to each other perfectly? Yes. There's 2 types of wind in Dalmatia, the Bora like it is today and the Yugo, and they control everyone's mood. Don't ever go out with wet hair. Always blow dry it. You'll also get sick if you sleep with the AC on at night, but if you're sick, rakia's medicine.
There's a woman I met who told me, if you come here once, you're not gonna be able to stop coming back. And then she said it was her 8th summer coming here. I didn't believe her at the time, but it is 6 years later now.